In this video, I'm going to show you how to interact with the Liminal Expert Desk from inside of TeamSpace. Think of this as having a member of our expert team on call for you. Get grounded, cited answers alongside sources from the Liminal platform. Let me show you how it works. For this feature, I'm going to be in Command and Team Spaces. A team space with this golden outline indicates that a member of the Liminal team is invited to collaborate with you on this space. You can see this right here. This is a shared workspace between your team and the Liminal experts. This could be for an initiative you're working on, a deal you're trying to close, competitive analysis, market trends, whatever you like. Clicking into the space, I can see that quite a few members of my team are already here, as well as 2 members from the Liminal Expert Desk. By clicking Share, I can see who they are, and I can remove them if I'd like to keep this space private for just me and my team. I can see my team has added a description to make it clear for what the purpose of this space is. Both your team and ours can add content to this space. Frequently, our team may place links to resources that may be helpful for you, such as this video with one of our subject matter experts doing a walkthrough of one of our industry research reports. Another way you can collaborate with our team is on writing custom analyses. I'll click Add Custom Analysis. An analysis can have tagged citations to any object within the Liminal platform, so that your team can go as deep as they like. Got a question for our team? I'll click Space Comments, and I'll @mention the Liminal expert in this space. I'm going to ask a question about gaps and potential white space opportunities for partnerships in this area that Liminal can research for me. Liminal experts are here for you. They'll quickly respond to @mentions, comments, or requests for information. You can bring the desk just about any question. How big is this market? Who's competing where? What's coming on the regulatory side? What do my buyers care about? And especially, what does this all mean for me? If you need actionable intelligence, you can ask it here. Some days later, I come to this space to see that Liminal Expert has responded to my question with a custom analysis. They've given an executive summary, answer to my question, citations to competitive companies, Liminal's reports, and events from the monitor, all that reinforce the analysis they've given. Of course, they end here with recommendations on what exactly I should do about it. Again, the citations backing up everything that they've said. Up top, I can click Comments and ask follow-up questions. You can ask follow-up questions, request a briefing, additional research, or deeper analysis. Now you've gathered content and deep analysis on a particular topic in one space, where you can collaborate with your team and with Liminal experts. And that's how you utilize the Liminal Expert Desk inside of Team Spaces. Get answers that you trust, backed by sources, right alongside your team's work. Thanks for watching, and check out the rest of the Liminal tutorials to get the most out of your workspace.